After I open this package, I'll be able to tell you what it is. It came from Bishkek, Kyrgyzstan, and it's a programmable something. Oh, it's a decade resistor board. See all those little surface mount resistors down there? Here are 10 1 meg resistors, 100K, 10K, 1K. We have 1,000, 10 ohm, and 1 ohm resistors. They could all be connected in series. Or they can be connected in parallel if there were more jumpers. Here's the eBay seller's page for this little decade resistor device. You can see how it's described, priced. Shipping was $3. And the seller was this is another trans-shipped package. See what's in it. Oh, okay. This is a package of heat shrink splices. That is, they're a crimping splice. And this is clear plastic here is shrinkable tubing. This blue is supposed to be a heat activated glue. So once crimped and then shrunk, this should be a watertight splice. Now, unfortunately, to use these, both ends have to be filled with wire before the crimping takes place. It's not like an American-made splice where the metal extends, about that far, and I can put the wire on one end and crimp it, and then put the wire on the other end and crimp it. Here, all of the wires to be spliced have to be inserted and then crimped. This is the eBay seller page. And here's the seller. This is an interesting looking package only because it's something square. This is what I predicted with the DC motor that I bought some time ago. It actually was supposed to come with a chuck and did not come with a chuck. It did, however, come with a shaft adapter. I got an extra shaft adapter. And like a Jacobs taper here in the United States, which was developed to fit a chuck onto a drill press, for example. This is the same thing. It presses on, and then a few taps, and it becomes impossible to remove. And being that it's a tapered wedge in a tapered socket, it maintains concentricity. Once I knew what to ask for, this B12, which I assume describes maybe the taper, there's loads of them on eBay. And this cost $9.50 and $5 shipping. This tapered adapter comes in many different shaft diameters. The trans-shipped package. And this is a set of lock picking equipment. I got this from eBay. My grandson turns or is 12 years old. It's about time he learned how to pick locks. Here's the seller. So this is a package of 10, all metal, 2-terminal, 5 by 2.5 power connectors. This is the eBay sellers page. See, they were cheap. I don't have the shipping here. And this is the seller. And that 9 is the, I believe, the full name. I didn't cut it off there. This package should contain a transformer. It's supposed to be 115 by 24 at 5 amps. And my hope is, see, this is 2 separate windings, a primary and a secondary. On a bobbin, it's split. What I'm going to try to do is disassemble these E sections. That is, pull these apart and perhaps remove or add some windings. I thought this was a pretty good deal. There's no evidence of it ever having been mounted. It's just been rattling around somewhere. It cost $10 plus $7.62 shipping. For less than $20, this is a good deal. And I found this on eBay.